All right, humans, very quickly, I'm going to show you that you can use this formula to calculate your slope from a table. There are other ways. This is just the way I'm going to do it. So whenever we are figuring out our slope, we're using y2 minus y1, and I always label the top one 2 just so I can keep it in line with the formula. So y2 and y1 are on the right, so x2 and x1 are on the left. Okay, so those would be my 4 points, and then I just fill it in exactly as we see it. So we have y2, which is our first point that goes up here, that is 4.7. And then we have y1, which is the next one, 4.3. And then looking at my x's, the top one that I have is x2. So I'm going to put 20 here, pretend that's a 2. And then I'm going to do the same thing for x1, looking at that next point, which is 30. Okay, and then using Desmos, we want to type all of this in at one time. So I'm going to go over here, I'm going to click that division symbol. I'm going to set up my parentheses at the top. So we have 4.7 minus 4.3. And then we do the same thing at the bottom. So 20 minus 30. And we get that decimal right here. Usually if they give you decimals, decimals are fine, but remember you can change that into a fraction by just clicking on that symbol right here. Okay, so since the directions say leave answer as a whole number or reduced fraction, we are going to use the fraction. So I'm going to put -1/25, and that would be my final answer for this one.